looks like the telecom tangle is here to stay, and now there's disturbance in the air between two of India Inc.'s biggest faces, Reliance's top boss Mukesh Ambani and Bharti Airtel's Sunil Mittal.
Almost a decade after they first crossed paths, 3G roaming packs are now the bone of contention between the two. Here's that report.
Mukesh Ambani and Sunil Mittal are gearing up for round 2 of the showdown in telecom. 9 years after they first locked horns over Reliance Infocom's entry into full mobility, it's time to go to war again. 3G roaming is the cause of simmering tension between the two czars, and which is why, besides the telcos, Mukesh Ambani too is watching the outcome of the 3G roaming row being contested at TDSAT right now. If the court allows 3G roaming packs to continue, it does set the ground for 4G roaming alliances as well. And that is not good news for Mukesh Ambani, who's getting ready for an ambitious 4G rollout this year. Now, after its acquisition of Infotel, RIL is the only player that has pan-India spectrum for broadband wireless services, for which Mukesh Ambani has shelled out close to 18,000 crore rupees. Compare that to arch-rival Sunil Mittal's licenses in just 4 circles, the uneven field becomes even more apparent. Any roaming tax in 4G will take the obvious advantage away from Mukesh Ambani, an issue that clearly irks him. However, experts insist that unlike 3G roaming packs, which are very bilateral in nature, 4G roaming packs won't be easy to ink.
3G has been quick for implementation and investment, and 4G LTE is still really untested. So one has to see how and when people are going to start investing in developing the network.
But a pan-India presence can shake things up in telecom.
Anybody who's got more spectrum, and a pan-India spectrum, whether it is 2G, 3G or 4G, would obviously be advantageous because the dependence on others is not there.
It's then certain that all the action in the TDSAT is not just being monitored by telcos, who have a lot at stake, but Mukesh Ambani at Mako Chambers is keeping an eye on proceedings as well. Nitya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.